congratulations for winning Bookstore of the Year award.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can you hear me?
So my first question is, how are you feeling after
It's
winning
it's
this?
it's actually a great feeling. Out of the all books nominations, almost there
Yeah.
were hundreds of nominations. We have been chosen as the best bookstore. It's really great. It's really great feeling.
Okay. So I know a thing or two about your bookstore, that you have a library on a lake
Yeah, yeah,
and a cafeteria as well. So I mean, I'm
yeah.
just imagining the ambience over there. And I'm sitting with a book and a coffee mug in my hand. I mean, wow. If I get such environment and ambience, I will definitely read a book.
Yeah. We have kept a free reading store there. It's all free. You can have a cup of coffee while reading a
Okay.
book without any membership, without any cost
Yeah.
of reading.
Definitely next time whenever I'm visiting Dal, this is
Yeah,
my destination for sure.
most welcome, most welcome.
So my question, how did you think about this? A library on a lake. How did this idea came in your mind?
Actually, when my father visited many foreign countries, though he saw a different kind of ambience there,
Okay.
like having a bookshop and a coffee shop together, which was very which was
Hmm.
very common there, but new for India.
Hmm.
So when he came back, he started thinking about it and he gave a proposal to government then. So I want to like make a coffee shop and a bookshop together. And they also supported
Okay.
at every front. So the idea came up and
Hmm.
we started it in 2016.
Yeah. Wow, that is amazing. The idea, the inspiration, amazing.
Mm-hmm.
I think this will be a very good practice in India if we
Yeah,
have
yeah,
coffee shops, a good ambience, and a book together. And a
book
lot of
together.
people
Yeah,
will be inspired to read.
yeah.
So, which uh, brings me to my next question. How did you feel about the concept of IRO and Food for Thought Foundation?
Actually, we weren't aware of like something is happening like this food for thought. I was called by Madhvi ji, so she told me that we are like an
Yeah.
organization this, and every year we hold award ceremonies. So this time we want you to participate. So there was very
Okay.
positive response from Food for Thought, very positive response from Madhvi ji. I would like to thank her
Okay.
also. She helped us at every front.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I think your network, your bandwidth is not well. We'll wait for a minute, no problem.
Yeah, sure. Is it fine now?
Yeah, it is fine.
Yeah.
So, I've heard that you have been mentioned in various books as well. So can you tell me
Yeah,
a few?
we were mentioned in Limca Book of Records 2018 for setting up
Yeah.
a library on a lake in
Okay.
2018.
Wow, that
Yeah,
is
yeah.
great. So, my next question is that IRO will be back next year. So, what are
Mhm.
your plans with your bookstore? What are your future plans with your bookstores?
We are trying to make like the one we have set up in Nehru Park. We are trying to set up more in J&K to encourage the reading culture,
Wow. Okay.
mostly among youth. We are planning
Wow.
on
Okay.
that, but due to circumstances because of COVID and extra, it's getting little bit delayed.
Yeah.
But inshallah, we will inshallah by this year we will open more bookstores at more tourist places like in Gulmarg and Pahalgam, so that tourists can also enjoy the way.
Wow. Yeah. I bet it will be a perfect tourist spot, especially
Yeah,
for bookworms.
yeah. Mostly for bookworms. Beside that, we have opened one in Leh, the bookshop and coffee
Hello.
shop. Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I think I've lost you for a bit, but yeah, it's back again.
Beside Nehru Park, we have opened another in Leh, Ladakh. The same bookshop plus coffee shop and a free
Okay.
reading room.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. So, this is my question. So this is
Mhm.
a book, but I don't want to buy it. I can read it over there, and if I
Yeah, you
like
can
it
read it.
so much, I can buy it.
Yeah, if you want to buy it, we have kept
Wow.
two sections. One is for sales and another is
Okay.
for free reading. If you want to buy it, you can buy it
Wow,
from the
that
sales
is
section.
great. That is
Otherwise, if you
great. That
don't
is great.
do,
I
don't want to buy
love
it,
your
you
concept.
can come daily. If otherwise, if you don't want to buy it, you can come daily and read it for free without any kind of membership, without paying anything.
Okay. Wow. So,
Yeah, yeah.
so membership is not a constraint to step into the
No,
library,
no,
all the
not
bookstores.
not at all. Not at all. Not at all.
That is amazing. I am inspired by your idea, and I hope a lot of people get inspired by your idea and set up libraries with good
Yeah, yeah.
ambience to
That's
promote reading.
yes. Our main focus is on to bring youth to read, to encourage youth to read,
Yeah,
because reading culture is
I
getting
noticed
over day
this.
by day. That's why we are setting these kind of bookshops, because we have been in book
Hmm.
trade almost
True.
for 70 years. My great grandfathers were also doing this trade. We are publishers
Yeah.
as well.
Okay. That's great. I mean, your idea, the heritage, everything sounds amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
So thank you so much, Azaz. It was lovely speaking to you and knowing
Same.
about your library on the lake.
Thank you so much. Same
And
here.
I hope I hope to come there and read the books for sure.
Most welcome. Most welcome.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much for your time
Thank
and
you
good
so much.
luck for the future.
Thank you so much. All the best. Thank you.